In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with bugs in Jira, specifically in Atlassian Jira. Whether you're new to this platform or looking to refine your bug management process, these steps will help you streamline your workflow and enhance team collaboration. So let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to start by opening Jira and selecting the project you're currently working on from the dashboard. This step ensures that everything you do aligns with your project goals and that any bug reports are properly categorized within that specific project. Next, head over to the top navigation bar and click the Create button. This action will open up a window where you can create a new issue. Now, in the window that appears, you'll find a drop-down titled Issue Type. This is an essential step because you'll want to select bug instead of the default options such as task or story. Choosing bug categorizes your issue correctly, making it easier for your team to prioritize and address. Once you've set the issue type, it's time to fill in the bug details. Begin with the summary. The summary should be a brief descriptive title for the bug. Think of it as the bug's headline, concise yet informative. It should give the team an immediate understanding of what the bug entails. Next, move on to the description. Here, you'll provide detailed information about the bug. It's useful to include specifics such as the conditions under which the bug occurs, expected versus actual results, and any steps to reproduce it. The more detail you provide, the easier it will be for others to understand the issue. Following the description, it's important to set the priority of the bug, which helps guide the urgency of resolving it. You can set the impact level to high, medium, or low. A high priority bug might indicate a blocker in your project workflow, while a low one might be more of a cosmetic issue. After setting the priority, you'll need to assign the bug to a developer. The assignee is the person responsible for investigating and fixing the issue, so make sure to select someone who has the right context and expertise for this bug. Once everything is filled out to your satisfaction, click Create. This action logs the bug in Jira, making it visible on your project board for the whole team to see. With your bug now recorded, it's time to talk about tracking. To track bugs in Jira, go to Issues in the main menu. This section allows you to search for issues and apply filters to better manage your workload. You can filter by issue type, specifically looking for bugs to hone in on those entries. You can also filter by status, like to do, in progress, or done, to see the progress of each bug. Additionally, you might want to filter by assignee to track who is working on what. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to managing bugs in Jira effectively. By following these steps, you'll enhance your team's efficiency and ensure a smoother development process. Thank you for watching, and be sure to apply these practices in your next project.